think. We got the hold and spin. I'm on free play. Promise. Free play. So, we were getting a little higher than I usually do my free play. So, hopefully we win a little bit. Give us a little bankroll for the day. This is 10 cent denom, $5 bet. Oh my gosh, that's $500, you guys. It's $500 on free play. Oh my gosh, stop. Yes, free play. All right. By the way, the grand's 125K. Look at it. Oh. Wow, 6:30 on my free play. That's a nice start to the day. Awesome. All right, we still have 85 in free play, so we'll play this down. I love having that minor drop. That's what is fun about playing high limit machines like this. It's like you get a mini or a minor and it's definitely a lot higher than the other machines. I'm just usually not that risky, but today I didn't have that much free play, but I thought I'd just give it a try. Two more? Oh man. We're still on free play. We have about 5 more spins on free play. Even those little line hits are pretty substantial. Alright, I think that's that on free play. So I put in 20, so we made just under 700 on free play. I'm gonna still play just for a little bit because, I mean, for me to get that on free play was kind of fun, so maybe it's got something else in there for me. Oh, yikes. That's $100 lantern. I don't want to lose all that we won on our free play, so maybe I'll play to 600. That sounds good. Oh, one off. It's sad how quickly when you're betting $5, how quickly it goes down. Oh, we got it. Oh. I might get the hold and spin again. We'll go with this guy. Please be good. No, that's the worst. Why do you do that? Why? Oh my goodness. Well. Yikes, we have $11. Oh no, oh gosh. $11 bonus. Whew, that was painful. Oh, I thought I was going to do it again as a I'm sorry, that was such a bad bonus, but it didn't. Alright, are we? Okay, 627. Oh, come on. Okay, I think we have about 3 spins left. And I'm gonna go find another machine. Oh, we got enough for another. Okay. Oh, one more. Oh, he's right there. I wanted to not have to leave this machine. Alright, I'm going to stop there. 603 on our $20 in. That's a great way to start your day with free play. Hopefully I'll be back with another bonus. Thanks, guys. Okay, I totally lied. I do that. So I did cash out my ticket, don't worry. So I put that away, and then I got put in $130 later. We got the hold and spin again with a nice little $100 mini. Let's drop some big numbers, please. Oh, come on, save it. Ooh. Come on. Do you have any words in there? Or something green? That green one's over 6 grand. Come on, drop it in. Okay, still a good bonus. Let's do some backups. I just had a feeling this machine had another bonus in it, and usually when I turn the camera off is when it will do it. Oh, that would have been great to have them all the way across. This is great. I'm only betting $5, so I'm on the lowest possible bet. On this machine. Ooh. Alright, we'll do one more spin together, and then I will be back if I get another bonus. I don't know how low I'll play this. We'll see. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I kept going. I went well below what I had in my mind with 200, but we got the free games. So far, free games have not been nice to us. Please be something. Okay, hold on. Come on, drop a word. Ooh, that's 100. That's 50. Or are we at 250? Okay. Come on. Come on, drop a word. Oh, come on, something big in there, please. I know you have it in you. Come on, one more. Oh, that's okay. Still a good win. Keeps us in the game. machine is paying out on the $5 bet. I don't want to get risky and increase the bet and mess it up, so I'm sticking with $5. Come on, another bonus would be so fun. Yes! You ask, he delivers. Alright, here we go. Let's drop. I've been waiting for this green major to drop. I've never hit anything huge on these high limit ones. I've only gotten the major on the regular version. Nice win. Okay. We are climbing. Oh, I thought we could get back to back. What? I'm not even saying. I was just thinking of if I did happen to win, even the major on this, I might scream. Even though it's not as high as my biggest wins, it just would be something I've kind of wanted to always get and I never have. But as you guys know from watching my channel, if it's a rare occasion that I'm on these high limit ones, so I guess you can't really, like my yaya, which is grandmother in Greek, used to say, you can't win if you're not playing. She's actually the one who got me into gambling. She would have me drive her to the casinos or the racetrack. She loved betting on the horses. Oh my God. And I always had so much fun with her. We would always have fun, and she never, I won't say never gambled over her means, but she had fun. And in her later years, it was a nice moment for us to bond together. So I always think of my yaya when I'm playing the slots. Though she liked, she would only play the reels that oh gosh, it gave me that again. It does not want to give me anything on the free game. Yeah, she would never play like computer versions. She thought they were rigged. Maybe they are, who knows. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these free games are not giving it to me. It's okay, it's paying out in other ways. We'll probably play this to 500. And then I'll probably wrap this up. I try to keep my videos under 20 minutes because even when I watch videos, if they're over too long, then I almost don't want to commit to it. Sometimes I do. Like if it's a big session where somebody's winning huge amounts, then I'll commit. I'll dive in, but this has been a nice session, but again, I wouldn't want it to go like over 30 minutes. Oh my God. No, it did not just do that. You guys. Okay. Do you see? Why? But why? That would have been so fun, especially since I'm recording. All right, 2 more spins. All right, I am going to cash out there. I have my $600 ticket and I have the 500. That is a nice win for the day. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye-bye.